First of all, we fill in the blank. 2 to the first power, that's 2. 2 to the second power, that's 4. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the fourth power is 16. 2 to the fifth power is 32. 2 to the sixth power is 64. 2 to the seventh power, that's 128. 2 to the eighth power is 256. Then we do the backwards. As we know, a to the 1 over nth power means nth root of a. In other words, a to the 1/2 power means square root of a. A to the 1/3 power equals cubic root of a. So let's go back for this 4. 2 to the second power equals 4. Therefore, 4 to the 1/2 power means square root of 4, then I can get 2. From 8 to the 1/3 power means cubic root of 8 equals 2. For 16 to the 1/4 power, that means 4th root of 16. That's 2. For 32 to the 1/5 power equals 5th root of 32 equals 2. For 64 to the 1/6 power equals 6th root of 64, you will get 2. For 128 to the 1/7 power, that equals 7th root of 128 equals 2. For 256 to the 1/8 power, that means 8th root of 256 equals 2. Let's talk about negative exponents. We know a to the negative nth power means 1 over a to the nth power. So when you have a to the negative first power, that means 1 over a. A to the negative second power means 1 over a squared. Therefore, for 2 to the negative first power, that means 1 over 2. For 2 to the negative second power means 1 over 2 squared means 4. 2 to the negative third power, it will be 1 over 8. Keep going, we can get the 1 over 16, 1 over 32, 1 over 64, 1 over 128, 1 over 256. Let's do power of 3. 3 to the 0 power, that's 1. 3 squared is 9. Then 3 to the negative second power will be 1 over 9. 3/3 power is 27. 3 to the negative third power will be 1 over 27. 3 to the fourth power is 81. 3 to the negative fourth power is 1 over 81. 3 to the negative first power will be 1 over 3. Let's do the backwards. 9 to the 1/2 power equals the square root of 9 equals 3. For 27, we do 27 1/3 power, means cubic root of 27 equals 3. For 81, we do 1 over 4th power, means 4th root of 81 equals 3. Let's do power of 4. 4 to the 0 power is 1. 4 to the negative first power will be 1 over 4. 4 squared, that's 16. 4 to the negative second power is 1 over 16. 4 to the third power, 64. 4 to the negative third power will be 1 over 64. 4 to the fourth power, that's 128. 4 to the negative fourth power is 1 over 128. Let's do the backwards now. 16, we do 1 over second power, means the square root of 16, that's 4. 64, we do the 1/3 power, equals cubic root of 16, we got the 4. 128, do the 1 over 4th power, means 4th root of 128 equals 4. For the power of 5, 5 to the 0 power is 1. 5 to the negative first power is 1 over 5. 5 squared, 25. 5 to the negative second power, 1 over 25. 5 to the third power is 125. 5 to the negative third power will be 1 over 125. 5 to the fourth power, that's 625. 5 to the negative fourth power is 1 over 625. 25 to the 1/2 power equals square root of 25. That equals 5. 125 to the 1 over 3rd power, that equals cubic root of 125 equals 5. 625 to the 1 over 4th power equals 4th root of 625 equals 5. Try to remember those numbers in exponential wheels, such as 32. You got to know 2 to the 5th power. 8, 2 to the 3rd power. And 27, we do 3 to the 3rd power. And then 125, we know that's 5 to the 3rd power. This number used a lot for the SAT about exponential equations.